Okay, we've got a Mark 8 Golf GTI in today, fitted with our CANIMMO immobiliser. No pin, no drive. So on this particular one, I've done gearbox lock. So if I was to now start the car without my pin code, okay, car starts up. Okay, and if you look just below the speed limit there, you'll see the blue light flash once I put my code in. But just to demonstrate, the car's in park, foot on the brake, try and select any gear. The car physically will not go into any gear, it's locked in park. So as soon as I put my code in, you'll see just below the speed limit there, the high beam light flash. So if I just put my pin code in, okay, there you go, you got two flashes, okay? Which now means I can select a gear, there you go, D, reverse, okay, that's D again, park. So on this particular system, it's the Bluetooth version, so you've got a Bluetooth tag as well, if you don't want to put your pin code in. At the moment, with program buttons on the steering wheel and the door card as well, you can use the window switch as the mirror controller. I'm just gonna turn the vehicle off. Now you'll see, as soon as I open and close the door, the driver's door, you'll see the high beam light flash again. That tells you the immobiliser's armed. So basically it arms itself every time you exit the vehicle. So I'm just going to now demonstrate the tag to you, okay, which I've just left outside the vehicle. Okay, that's your Bluetooth tag. Alright, so if I now get into the vehicle, I can just start the vehicle up and you'll see the blue light flash as I've got the tag present, and that'll disarm the immobiliser instead of putting a pin code in. So as soon as I start it up, it's more or less instant. There you go, you got your blue light flash there straight away. So it responds very, very quickly. Put it into gear, there you go, I can drive, back into park. Okay, switch the vehicle off. I can restart it and drive off unless I open the driver's door. So as soon as I open the driver's door, immobiliser arms, and it's protected again. So that's with the optional Bluetooth fob that you can use if you choose not to put a pin code in. So you've got the pin code and you've got the tag. So yeah, that's the CANIMMO fitted to this Mark 8 Golf GTI.